So, you want to use AI to make yourself completely irreplaceable in the job market by 2026? Whether that's in your career, as a freelancer, or as a consultant, you're in exactly the right place. We are about to lay out a full, step-by-step roadmap to get you there.
But first, check out this wild statistic. Even with this explosion of new AI tools for everything from video to voice, a whopping 75% of people still can't use AI effectively. You know, most people are kind of stuck to scratching the surface with ChatGPT and not really going any deeper. And that really brings up the big question, right? When everyone and their grandma has access to ChatGPT, how do you get a real competitive edge? Well, the answer isn't just using the tools, it's mastering the skills behind them. And today we're showing you the exact path to do just that.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about the 2026 AI Challenge. Then, we'll dive right into mastering the core fundamentals. After that, we're going to move from just using AI to actually building with it. Then we'll explore the crazy world of AI agents. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with your complete path to mastery.
So, let's kick things off. The 2026 AI Challenge. The biggest problem right now is that most people are barely tapping into AI's real power. But for you, that's all about to change.
All right, on to Section 2, Mastering Core AI Fundamentals. This is where your journey really begins. It all starts with two absolutely essential courses that are going to form the bedrock of everything you learn from here on out.
Think of it like this. Your foundation needs two different things. On one side, you need that big picture 30,000-foot view, the what and the why. You'll get that from Harvard's CS50. On the other side, you need the practical, on-the-ground skill of actually talking to an AI to get what you want. That's where OpenAI's course comes in. You absolutely need both.
So course number 1 is from Harvard's legendary CS50. It's a fantastic 1-hour intro to AI, and it's super beginner-friendly. It gives you a really clear overview of everything from generative AI to machine learning, so you actually start to understand how these things think. You get to peek under the hood.
So once you've got the concepts down, it's time to get your hands dirty. For most people, their entire interaction with AI starts and stops right here, with a simple, kind of OK prompt that, surprise, surprise, gives you a generic OK result. But this is where the magic happens. Course number 2 from OpenAI's own academy teaches you how to transform that basic prompt into something powerful. The secret sauce is learning to structure your prompts with 3 key things: giving the AI a role, providing clear context, and defining your expectation. I'm telling you, this is the difference between asking a simple question and directing a super-powered assistant. It's a total game changer.
Okay, you've got your foundation. Now we level up. Welcome to Section 3, where we move from just using AI to actually building with it and becoming a true power user.
Now this next batch of courses lets you kind of choose your own adventure, depending on your goals. Whether you want to master the tools you already have, build your very first app, supercharge your coding, or just become an AI all-rounder, there's a specific path here for you.
Honestly, this next one is a must-watch for everyone. It's a 2-hour masterclass from Andrej Karpathy, and it's a deep, deep dive into pushing tools like ChatGPT and Claude to their absolute limits. We're talking complex research, data analysis, even working with audio and video. This is how the pros use AI.
Now, if you're an aspiring builder, this course from Replit is your ticket in. It teaches you something called agentic code development, which is just a fancy way of saying you'll learn how to guide an AI to build a real working app for you. It's a fantastic way to create something tangible, even if you're just starting out.
Okay, for all the developers out there, listen up. This one's for you. Anthropic, the team behind Claude, has a course specifically designed to turn their AI into your expert coding partner. You'll learn the whole shebang, from managing context in huge projects all the way to integrating it directly with your GitHub workflow.
And then we have Microsoft's generative AI for beginners. Man, this thing is an absolute powerhouse. It's basically a full-on boot camp in a box. You'll build chat apps, use open source models, and even get into advanced stuff like RAG. That's just a way to give an AI your own custom data to work with. And, you guessed it, AI agents. Which brings us to our final and, frankly, most exciting section. This is the real frontier. This is where the biggest opportunities are right now, automating complex work with AI agents.
So what in the world are AI agents? Well, to put it simply, they're AI systems that can handle complex, multi-step tasks all on their own. Think of them like digital employees that can automate entire business processes.
This is incredibly valuable to companies, and it's creating a whole new career path for people who know how to build them. Now you're probably thinking, okay, that sounds complicated. I've got to be a coding genius, right? Nope. And that's the magic of our final course. This is an 8-hour masterclass that teaches you how to build and even sell AI agents using powerful no-code drag-and-drop tools. Zero coding required.
You see, when it comes to building these agents, there are really two ways to go about it. There's the traditional coding route, and then there's the super fast-growing no-code approach. This course we're talking about, it focuses 100% on that second, way more accessible path. All right, let's pull it all together. Here is your complete path to AI mastery. It really boils down to a simple 3-step journey. Step 1, you master the fundamentals with Harvard and OpenAI. Step 2, you go from just using AI to actually building with it by choosing your path. And step 3, you step into the future and learn to automate and innovate with AI agents.
And you know what the best part is? These aren't just random tutorials. Your instructors are the very institutions and experts who are leading this AI revolution. We're talking Harvard, OpenAI, Microsoft, Anthropic. You're literally learning from the source.
So there it is. You have the full curriculum, the complete roadmap from beginner to expert, and it's all completely free. The only question left is, what are you going to create?